Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated folding mattresses. We're all been in the situation where the buddy needs to stay at the night at the last minute, so we end up pulling out the dusty old air mattress only to discover it leaks. This is definitely a sign that it's time for a change. Folding mattresses are quickly taking over the market as the go-to storable bedding for travel, entertaining, and camping, since they're space-friendly and easily portable. Typically made from a variety of ultra-soft and supportive foams, a high-quality folding mattress facilitates a good night's sleep for kids and adults. However, when it comes to searching for a new foldable mattress, there are hundreds of models to choose from that cater to a variety of budgets, sleeping preferences, and lifestyle needs. To make the search for a folding mattress easier for you, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated folding mattresses to maximize both your budget and your sleeping potential. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the folding mattresses that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first folding mattress in our list is the Best Choice Products Folding Mattress. The soft yet firm foam offers optimal comfort and padding while also preserving your mattress from dirt, pet hair, dead skin, and other pollutants. It measures 75 by 54 by 4 inches and weighs 21.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Best Choice Products Folding Mattress a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Carrying case. It comes with a carrying case to keep it tidy and safe when traveling. Removable cover. The removable cover is machine washable and dryer friendly for easy care and maintenance. Convenient handles. It's designed with handles so that you can move it around easily. 4-inch high-density foam folding mattress topper. The 4-inch high-density foam folding mattress topper molds to your body and delivers ultimate comfort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has a mild foamy scent that should fade in a day or two. The second folding mattress in our list is the Inofia folding mattress. The Inofia Memory Foam Trifold mattress ensures a restful night's sleep no matter where you are. It's thick, plush, soft, breathable, and easy to put together. For its size, it measures 78 by 58 by 6 inches and weighs 39.1 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Inofia folding mattress a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Ultramesh material. Its sides are made of ultramesh material, which allows for excellent ventilation and heat dissipation. Ultra-soft and skin-friendly bamboo cover. The mattress boasts a bamboo cover that's ultra-soft and skin-friendly, making it easy to clean. Non-slip bottom. It has a non-slip bottom to keep you from moving about while sleeping and provide you with a restful night's sleep. Easy to store. The folding mattress is easy to store when not in use and can be neatly folded when stored, so it only takes up a small space in your closet or a corner. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the memory foam mattress can be a bit warm on summer nights. The third folding mattress in our list is the Cushy form folding mattress. This portable mattress can be used by both adults and children to solve a variety of issues at home. It can be used in an RV, as a sleeping bag, or as a camping mattress. As for the size, it measures 75 by 31 by 4 inches and weighs 14.42 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cushy form folding mattress a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Storage case. The foldable mattress comes with a storage case, allowing it to be stored effortlessly. Plush and breathable material. Its material is plush and breathable, making it both practical and comfortable while still being durable. Built-in handles. The travel case includes built-in handles for easy transportation. Machine washable cover. It has an ultra-soft cover that's machine washable. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the mattress took several weeks to fully expand. The fourth folding mattress in our list is the MAXYOYO folding mattress. This futon mattress can be used for camping, as a guest bed, or for a road trip. The package contains a futon mattress, a mattress cover of the same color, 1 pair of bandages, and a storage bag. For its size, it measures 80 by 60 by 4 inches and weighs 13 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MAXYOYO folding mattress a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Mattress cover. It comes with a mattress cover so you won't have to worry about keeping the mattress clean, and it can help the mattress last longer. Straps and storage bag. The mattress comes with straps and storage bag for easier storage and transport. Memory foam and polyester filling. It's made of superb memory foam and polyester filling, which will provide good support and a more comfortable sleeping experience. Matching dust cover. The matching dust cover protects the mattress from potential stains, extending its life. 4-inch thickness. Its 4-inch thickness provides excellent support when laying on the floor. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's fairly bulky when packed for a camping trip. The fifth folding mattress in our list is the Cheer Collection Folding Mattress. This trifold mattress gives comfort and convenience in a compact dimension when you don't have space for a full-size mattress or need a place for visitors to sleep at a moment's notice. It's a true multi-purpose mattress, so you can use it for extra seating, relaxing, as a playmat, yoga, exercise, or whatever else you can think of. As for the size, it measures 75 by 31 by 4 inches and weighs 11.62 pounds. Trusted ShopifyGuide.com has awarded the Cheer Collection Folding Mattress a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: removable zippered cover. The removable zippered cover is machine washable. Breathable material. It's made of breathable material that lets air move freely through the mattress, resulting in a luxurious, relaxing experience. Bamboo fabric cover. The bamboo fabric cover is super soft, smooth, more durable, and moisture-wicking than cotton, which makes it a great choice. Built-in carry handles. You can easily transfer the mattress by picking it up with built-in carry handles. 25D high-density 4-inch tall foam. The 25D high-density 4-inch tall foam responds to pressure for supple support that can be used overnight or for extended periods. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not that thick, but it's comfortable to sleep in. The sixth folding mattress on our list is the Nutan Folding Mattress. This foldable mattress can easily satisfy all of your sleeping needs and folds up neatly for storage in seconds. It supports your spine and can be the perfect answer for anyone who needs medium plush support, especially those with orthopedic concerns like persistent back discomfort. For its size, it measures 75 by 39 by 3 inches and weighs 7 pounds. Trusted ShopifyGuide.com has awarded the Nutan Folding Mattress a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: medium firmness. The firmness is medium, making it a good choice for both the typical person and those who change positions frequently during the night. Solid edge guard. It boasts a solid edge guard for optimal durability and dependable support. Easy to set up. Simply unfold the foam bed on the floor in any room, mobile home, or tent for a comfortable night's sleep. Well ventilated. This trifold mattress is ventilated for airflow to help regulate sleep temperature for maximum support and comfort. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't come with a cover. The seventh folding mattress in our list is the Olee Folding Mattress. The Olee Sleep Foldable Mattress will come in handy if you frequently have visitors or relatives over. Since it doesn't take up much space, you can easily store it after you've finished using it. It's also an adequate alternative for anyone who has a limited amount of living space. As for the size, it measures 75 by 25 by 4 inches and weighs 10.45 pounds. Trusted ShopifyGuide.com has awarded the Olee Folding Mattress a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Dura iGel foam. The Olee Sleep mattress is made of Dura iGel foam, which has a high density and provides exceptional comfort during the night. Ecological. It is ecological, thus it poses no threat to the environment, which is definitely good for nature lovers. Removable cover. Its cover is removable and you can machine wash it at 30 degrees Celsius to maintain the elements of your mattress clean without causing damage, no matter how frequently you clean them. Long and wide enough. The folding mattress is long and wide enough that you and your guests can sleep in it without feeling cramped. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't come with a strap to wrap and carry it with. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated folding mattresses, which got our team at TrustedShopify.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next folding mattress roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopify.com again soon.